Here is how to log in on Field. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can log in on Field. So let's start. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the app. After that, open it. As you open the app, you will find a screen like this. If you have already created your account, you can either directly log into your account or you can choose another account to log in. If you want to log into the account that you have recently logged in with, you can simply tap on this log back in option. However, if you want to log in with a different account, tap on choose another account. After that, tap on the login option. Then after, enter the login credentials that you used while creating your account. You can either enter your email address or your Facebook account. After that, it will send you an email. So open your email and then confirm it. As you open your email, you will find this login to Field option. Tap on it. As you do that, it will verify your login and then log into your account. So in this way, you can easily log in on Field. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.